Hi, this is your friend Isha, and we got up at 5:45 in the morning for a bourbon run. And despite of that, we were seventh in line. Look at the line behind me, and it's growing as we see. And let's check out what other people are trying to buy. Hi, it's your friend Isha, and we're here for a bourbon run. And here's my friend
Larry.
Larry, what are you hoping to buy today?
I'm hoping to get a Weller, maybe a single barrel or CYPB.
Oh, cool. That sounds cool. Let's see who else is in the queue. This is my husband.
Hi,
Hi. Parag, what are you hoping to get today?
George Stack.
George Stack. This is our best friend, Neeraj.
Hi,
Hi. Hi, what are you planning to get today?
Stag or Weller?
Stag or Weller. Sounds perfect. Hi, guys. How are you? And what time did you get in today?
Around 3:15.
3:15. Oh my God. And you were still second in line, is that correct? Oh God, look at that. The doors are still not open. And we have the most beautiful couple here. And what are you guys getting today?
We're hoping some Weller product.
Weller? And you have something special? Or just Weller? Weller, both of you? Oh my God, that's amazing. Sounds good. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm back from my bourbon run and I can't wait to share with you my exciting find. So we got up at 5:45 in the morning and we stood in line. We were seventh in line and every other person in front of us wanted a Weller and I wanted a Weller as well. But the store that we went to had literally 4 bottles and I just couldn't get a Weller for crying out loud, but it wasn't completely unsuccessful. So let me share my find with you. My best bourbon or best find of the evening was E.H. Taylor. E.H. Taylor small batch, and this never disappoints. This is one of the top most sought after bourbons in America. And check out the color. Like, just check out the color on this one. It's so beautiful. The red is just amazing. I haven't seen this color on any other bourbon. What else did I find? My go-to bourbon is the Eagle Rare. Eagle Rare never disappoints. I'll tell you why. It is the most value for money and it goes great with an old fashioned or just to sip on. The vanilla caramel just really hits the spot. So I would say Eagle Rare, when in doubt, always get an Eagle Rare. Just complete value for money. What else did I get? Let's see, I got a Michter's small batch. Michter's is another one that never ever disappoints. Michter's, Elijah Craig, they are my go-tos and I would not even blink before buying a Michter. This is Michter's small batch and I already had one in my collection. Now I got a second one and you know what the drill is. When you have one in the collection, you can open the second one to taste. Till the second one comes into your collection, I would not open up a bottle that does not have a second one to follow. All right, so this is something new. This is a George Dickel Tennessee Bottled and Bond, and this is 12 years aged. I am not sure if I know much about George Dickel, but my husband said we wanted to try one, and my husband really wanted one, so I said we just went for it. This is a Tennessee whiskey, and this would be my first Tennessee whiskey. Definitely, I will make a video about the tasting. It's 12-year age, bottled and bond, and looks pretty good. The color is really good on this one, like a red color, almost similar to an E.H. Taylor. Not exactly the same, but it's pretty good, comparable to an Eagle Rare. And last but not least, this is the Buffalo Trace. Buffalo Trace is a home bar basic and should be in every bar at home or even outside at a restaurant. This makes a great Manhattan, old-fashioned, or you can just sip on this. This is like a very basic bourbon. We are in a dry state with Virginia and we don't get Buffalo Trace as easily as other states get them at Costco's and your local grocery store. So we have to stand in line even for a Buffalo Trace. But yeah, this is my find and this is my favorite hobby and my passion. And stay tuned for more bourbon episodes.